It's not even getting hot. The radiator hookup.
Yeah, turn this off. Shut that off. Shut
the car.
No, shut the air off. The heat. Shut the heat off. Just shut the heat off.
Yeah.
You ain't got to wait just to turn the key on.
Yeah.
Just to turn the key on to the on position without starting it.
Okay. And then what was up in that bitch trying to like they're trying to assault my test, like I don't know what the fuck up with my shit, dude. I'm bro. And I'm trying to tell him. And
Can you
then
turn the heat back on, please? It doesn't come on? Really? So your ignition's not on.
the what?
Just turn the ignition on to the on position without starting it. There you go.
Then you had all this shit out of it.
Is it warm? Does the heat ever come out warm?
Yeah.
It stays warm?
Yeah.
It doesn't stay cool? Does it ever get hot like where it used to be?
Yeah.
It does. Even with the fans on like that? Because that's your AC fan too. If you turned your AC on, that's what it was supposed to sound like.
Like this?
The way it sounds?
Yeah.
That's with your AC on, not your heater. You know what I'm saying?
So
you got one fan that runs with your engine. Okay?
Yeah.
The other fan comes on when you turn the AC on. That's what cools. It makes it cold. You know
Okay.
It cools it faster to make it cooler. You know what I'm saying?
So they fuck my shit up, bro.
One stays on with the motor all the time, runs off and on when it overheats. Then the second one comes on when you turn the AC on.
This motherfucker was
Both
up in that bitch
all the time.
Yeah.
So I think it's like they wired it up.
Hardwired it, just
yeah,
a direct.
That's what it seems to me. That's how I look at it.
It's cold. The AC.
I'll tell the motherfuckers as soon as I go.
That's the heat, right?
Huh?
I'll tell the motherfuckers as soon as I go there. I'll tell them.
For real, bro. Yeah. You need to ride up there. We need to get up there, and cause Monday.
That's exactly what it sounds like. It sounds like both of the fans are constantly on. They're not supposed to be. One runs, you know what I'm saying, when you run your motor, and then if it gets hot, then your fan comes on. The other one comes on only when you turn the AC on.
And see, they tried that. How my man tried to play it was like, I don't know much about my shit. My father's a master mechanic. He just so he don't fuck with shit, right? I went to school for it, right? Basic.
You go up there and ask him, why are both your fans running when they shouldn't be? Only one fan is supposed to run with your motor. You know what I'm saying? The other fan runs when your AC pump is on.
Yeah, and then I asked that, and then I just got to I listened to what they were saying.
I have the same problem. Look, I have the same exact thing you do. You hear my truck?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll show you exactly how it works.
And look, he tried to make it seem like I don't know. I said, then I let him say what he said.
Look from the side. Look from the side. One fan, two fans. Okay. This fan's supposed to operate when watch. It'll come on in a minute. You'll hear it come on. The other one only comes on when my AC's on. I can make one fan work right now. Just turn the AC on. Man, come on.
Yeah, but he trying to like he out here talking to me. The one guy came in. I want to put a slug in that nigga face.
Yeah, you forfeited all your shit.
I know.
See my fan?
Yeah.
One fan on. That one is not on. That fan is not on. This one is.
Yeah.
See how I'm saying?
Yeah.
That runs with my motor. This runs with the AC. Both of yours on. Both of your fans are running.
And he talking to me like he a mechanic. I say, are you a certified mechanic?
Ask to see your certification if it says
No. He say, no, I don't. But I say exactly. So how's you trying to tell me? How you trying to talk to me about some shit about my shit, and you're not a certified mechanic?
You don't know nothing about your shit. You don't try to tell me about mine.
And you know what I'm saying? And then look. Then he went into the back. Somebody went into the back of my truck.
He's a certified mechanic right there.
Who was that?
Ben, my neighbor. I'll ask him for you.
Yeah, cause I need to know what they did to my shit. Cause they for real, cause they fucked my shit up. They fucked my shit up. They went through my shit, and it got me kind of thinking it.
Go ahead, you can start.
And they kind of went through they kind of went through it, and see they don't. It ain't about what you know. It's about who you know, bro.
Oh, it probably was hot because the car was hot.
Yeah. Nah, I just kicked on.
Both of them. That's both of them.
That's why it's so loud. So it's like, so what did they do? They directly wired it?
That's the only way I can see it. He just started his vehicle.
How you doing? I'm Torres. They call me T.
That's both of his fans running, ain't it?
Yeah.
And they're running constantly all the time. No.
No.
What's the temperature gauge say?
What's the temperature gauge say? He just started his
Shit,
It feels cold. That's on the heat, right?
yeah.
It's still cold.
Yeah, it's still
Coming out like this.
yeah, it's just the air coming out of it.
Nah, the relay probably well,
You said
let's find the relay, rip it off, throw it on the meter, see if it's fucking short.
on the relay on the radiator.
He thinks that they might have did a hardwired or welded the relay close so it'll stay on.
Look this motherfucker up. It's loud.
It is. Yeah. Now it's supposed to be done. It's fucking weird,
Well,
man.
that is one big. You can put wings on this bitch and fly.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it even
Fucking
gets
van
louder.
is that big, bro. It's moving some air.
Is that one single? No, he's got two, don't he?
No, it's one big motherfucker.
Oh, it's one on the clutch,
There's
isn't
a
it?
power for it right here.
Oh, okay.
A power cord.
Power, yeah, it take big power cord to run that motherfucker. You can run the system on that.
But is that radiator specifically for this Durango?
I thought they hooked
It
it.
looked like it fit. It don't look wrong. I see there's. It looked like it's still leaking.
I thought there was an electric one hooked up.
Well, no, some stuff came.
Electric. You can see right here.
Yeah, some stuff came out of it.
How
Some.
did it get louder and faster?
Let's
How?
Huh? Do you know?
The
Yeah, that's a
fuck?
big ass.
That's only
It's a
one?
big ass fan. You see that bitch?
Yeah.
That's why I say you put wings on this motherfucker.
You got one over there?
You a certified mechanic?
It used to be master certified mechanic, yeah.
Okay.
I got-
that's why I
this
got
well, so
bored.
you know what you know.
Yeah.
You know what you
I'm an
know.
engineer now.